Okay, welcome back guys. Today I am going to share such a great thing regarding Diagon Coin. What is Diagon Coin all about? Diagon Coin is a global esports ecosystem for competitive gaming with three exclusive and innovative features. The first one is Dia Arena, the second one is Dia Bet, and the third and the largest is Dia Exchange. And if you love to get some DGN tokens free, you must have to download their app on the Play Store and also on the App Store, and then you can basically join free tournaments on Diagon's beta and receive DGN as a reward. So I am going to share each and everything regarding the Diagon. First of all, how Diagon will basically work and what is Diagon Coin all about. But before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon and do follow me on all the social media, because every day I try my level best to share multiple things regarding crypto, and that news will be the best for the traders and also for the holders. So right now, what is Diagon Coin? Basically, Diagon Coin will be the sole virtual currency that will be used to perform every form of transactions in our innovative esports ecosystem. With Diagon Coins, users will be able to perform all transactions. It means all transactions means every transactions in our innovative esports ecosystem. How basically Dia Arena, Dia Bet and Dia Exchange will work, that is the current feature which I am going to share with you. First of all, with the Dia Arena, you can see we are uniquely building our platform with the implementation of Dia Arena uniquely for esports activities. Dia Arena will be primarily for hosting esports tournaments online and offline. Diagon users will be able to initiate tournaments, join ongoing competitions and tournaments, etc. On Diabet, we are implementing a pristine betting feature, Diabet, in Diagon's ecosystem that will be more engaging and rewarding. Diabet will be for lovers of esports, and users would use Diagon Coin to stake at esports tournaments and activities ongoing in Diagon's ecosystem across the globe. And in the last but not the least, Dia Exchange. What is Dia Exchange? In the starting of the video, I said one thing: Dia Exchange is entirely the best thing in the whole platform of Diagon. One of our biggest, here you can see one of our the biggest features will be the implementation of Dia Exchange for collecting and trading digital collectible cards and sending Diagon gift cards. Users in our ecosystem will be able to buy and sell digital collectible cards against Diagon Coin or trade directly with other collectors. So, what is Diagon? At the end, basically Diagon is not a simple platform. It has the world in it. Basically, in the Dia Arena, you can play or you can join any type of competition, you can join any type of tournament, and with the help of Diabet, you can stake any token, you can stake your Diagon Coin on any type of tournament or any type of competition. And in the end, in the end, when you want basically money in your hand, then you can use basically the Diagon the Diagon cards, and you can trade that one cards with any type of other cryptocurrency. So it means in the starting you can play the games with it, in the mid you can stake anything, you can bet anything with the help of Diagon Coin, and in the end when you want your reward, you can take your reward directly from this one platform with the help of Diagon the gift cards. Now I am going to tell you something very interesting regarding this platform, that already it has two successful IEOs on Probit Exchange, the round 1 and round 2, but we already missed that one, and we already missed the 15% bonus and 10% bonus. And right now here you can also see one thing more, that it is available on ICO Bench, and it got the ranking of 4.3 from ICO Bench. On CoinCodex, same 4.3 ranking, and on ICO Marks it has 9.3 ranking. So it is one of the best thing regarding this platform. So if you want to ask anything, first of all you must have to read the white paper of this entire platform. So definitely you are going to learn number of things. If you want to invest anything in this platform Diagon, so you must have to read each and everything regarding the platform first of all. So definitely you are going to get number of information regarding Diagon platform. Here you can also see the roadmap of this entire platform, and the main thing is this. Here you can see the entire supply of this coin. DGN is the symbol of this token, and it is basically an ERC20 token. So it means you can easily hold this token in your MyEther wallet address, on your IM token app, and you can very easily basically hold this one token. ERC20 based, it means it is basically on Ethereum based token on the main net of Ethereum. And here you can also see the 75% token sale, 15% for the company, 5% for the bounty, and 5% only for the team. It is not as much, seriously. And also you can see at this time you have the chance to buy this token on their token sale. So first of all, you just have to click over here, and right now the price of 1 DGN is only and only $0.20. So you just have to click on join token sale, and then you can just sign up on their main platform by just entering your first name, last name, your MyEther wallet address, and then your email address and password, and you just have to click on join now, and you can directly buy this token from their public sale. At this time you don't have to wait for the round 3 of IEO. You can just purchase this token right now at this time. And here you can also see the entire team of this platform, and you can ask whatever you want to ask in their own social media, and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. And here you can also see that it was basically featured on Yahoo Finance, Medium, Daily Herald, Naver, and Probit. And you can also find all the social media over here, and you can ask whatever you want to ask because team is over there for you. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and if you want to join them and if you want to subscribe them, you must have to subscribe them on the YouTube first of all, Diagon Esports. You can subscribe them on the Reddit, and also you can follow them on the Facebook, and also you can follow them on the Twitter and ask whatever you want to ask regarding Diagon platform. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.